Hello guys, review Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus. This version 8GB memory and 256GB storage. Open box and look complementation. In complementation we have device, okay, in the dark color, okay, 5-year fluency, NFC, IP54, sound by JBL, Helio J100 processor, 120 Hz AMOLED display covered, 33 watt force charge plus 5000 mAh battery. Okay, look complementation, key for SIM slot, protected glass we have in complementation, protected back cover, adapter for charging with quick charge and Type-C cable. Very good complementation. Okay, now talk about device. We have very thin design, 6.8 millimeter we have thin. On this power button, warm buttons, Type-C port, port for SIM cards, and stereo speakers. Okay, open settings, look Android version. My phone, we have XOS version 14.5.0, Android 14. Open Geekbench 6 and talk about system information. Look results, AnTuTu benchmark results. Okay, and look how PUBG Mobile works on this device. PUBG Mobile works on the high graphic level. Let's see this. Okay, game load and works on max graphic level, high graphic level, and works very good. Okay, close this. Now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.